Hello friends, today's topic 10 multi-baggers in the past now failed totally. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is service to society. In Indian cricket, there are many good players such as Suresh Raina, Mohammad Kaif, Yusuf Pathan who could not perform consistently for a long period and finally were replaced by other players in the team. At the same time, there have been many players such as MS Dhoni, Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma, Shikhar Dhawan who have been very successful in playing for India for 10 to 15 years. Similarly, there were many stocks which are very good in the past but somehow could not manage to sustain their business for a long period. These companies have deteriorated over the years and investors who invested in them for long term without monitoring the fundamentals regularly have made huge losses. A stock which multiplies the wealth of investors is multi-bagger. Everybody hopes to have such shares in their portfolio. However, some stocks have a chance of becoming multi-beggars, which means that the stocks destroyed the wealth of investors over the long term. Now, multi-baggers to multi-beggars. S-Bank, price 10 years back, 75. Current price, 19. 10-year returns, minus 13% per annum. Reliance Communication, price 10 years back, 143. Current price, 1 rupee 75 paisa, minus 36% per annum. Future Enterprise, price 10 years back, 73. Current price, 0.95 rupees and 10-year returns minus 35% per annum. Reliance Power, price 10 years back 74, current price 20.85 minus 12% per annum. Reliance Capital, price 10 years back 321, price today 12.25, 10 years returns minus 28% per annum. Going to the sixth stock, PC Jewelers 45 was 10 years back, current price 28.9, 10-year returns minus 4% per annum. Unitech price 10 years back 16, current price 5.85, 10 years returns minus 10% per annum. Wakarange price 10 years back 43, current price 18.65, 10-year returns minus 8% per annum. JP Associates, price 10 years back, 54, current price 17.4, 10-year returns minus 11% per annum. Future Lifestyle, price 10 years back, 67, current price 3005, 10-year returns minus 27% per annum. Many new investors think that once they select a good company, good returns are guaranteed in the long term. It is definitely not as easy as that. We need to select good companies and also make sure to monitor their quarterly results so that after a few quarters of bad performance, we can take a decision to sell if required. Otherwise, we may end up like shareholders of such companies which are very famous and leading companies around 10 to 15 years back. Apart from these companies, you may be aware of many such companies which have not performed even after the holding for a long time. Make sure to diversify your holdings and also monitor them once in 3 months and regularly read news about the company. This is likely to save you from huge losses. Please note that most companies slowly deteriorate and don't collapse overnight. At the end of the video, here is a question. Have you faced a loss in any stock you had invested in the past? Type in the comment section below. If you are not the member of Dr. Bharath Chandra, Rohan Chandra channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.